Andy McCoy. I'm over at Pearland. Still got water in this area. What I've done, I've plugged these. These valves are not holding by. A lot of these valves aren't holding by, but I've got this plugged and I got it plugged over here. But just to show you, my challenge is, I don't know if there's a leak on this fountain area or not, because I'm not losing a lot of pressure. But as you can see, this valve right here is closed as tight as I can get it. Still got water running out. Same thing over here. This valve is closed as tight as I can get it. We still got water running out over here. And I've already plugged one on this side. Same thing with this one. Valve's closed, but it's still leaking by. And the same thing here, except this valve is open, and I want it to be open because we do suspect that we have a leak in this line. I put tape on that wall to be able to hear it because I got a metal probe that I'm using, and when that metal hits that rock concrete material, it makes a lot of sound, so the tape is just to dull that out. But I've got, I started out with like 8 pounds, but I'm obviously losing pressure. We can see water coming out. I'm not getting any significant sound that I think I have an issue here. The only last thing on this whole area that I have to check, I'm going to plug these suction. I'm going to plug it, I'm going to tie in and keep my plug on the return. Unplug the suction, plug the return and pressure, and I'll just be checking this line right here from the suction to the pump, and if that holds pressure, the only other thing it could be is a leak after. Now this leak right here, it's got to be one of these two things. It's got to be this suction right here to the pump, or it's got to be this. I go back and dye test, but I don't think it's structural. The only other thing that can be is the once it passes the valve, then you have a leak from the outlet to the valve. On these larger, the valves over here, the larger valves, I think those are holding. I think it's these small ones that are failing. But anyway, I'll send this video to you.